Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to show hidden files and folders on Windows 10. So firstly click on Start, then tap Explorer, open File Explorer. Now click on View, click on this drop down. Now click Change Folder and Search Options. Again click on View, and here you will see option Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. So select it, then click on Apply, then OK. Now close it. So hopefully guys you like this video. By these simple steps so you can know how to show hidden files and folders on Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video.